Students, in the previous video, you have learned about rhombus. Now, trapezium. For trapezium also like a quadrilateral. For suppose you are consider a parallelogram, suppose you are consider this parallelogram, a parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel side is known as a trapezium. For that means in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. So that means for AB and CD parallel and BC and AD parallel. For in this parallelogram, one pair of non-parallel sides means you have to compare these two diagrams. For see, for AD and BC is parallel. For now you have to consider this is the trapezium diagram. For BC and AD is a non-parallel sides. For this is called a trapezium. For trapezium also quadrilateral. So trapezium means a parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as a trapezium. For area of a trapezium, formula half into h into a plus b square units. For area we have to use the unit square units. For isosceles trapezium means if non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. For suppose you have to consider this trapezium. For in this trapezium, the measurement of BC and AD are equal. We say it is a isosceles trapezium. Now you have to consider this diagram. For the same trapezium diagram, we have to mention BC equal to AD. That means BC measurement equal to AD measurement. Suppose BC is 7 cm, AD also 7 cm. So, an isosceles trapezium means if the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. Now, exercise 2.3, for it is related to the trapezium problems. The first problem, for a height, parallel side, height is mentioned as H, parallel side is mentioned as A and B. For area also given. So the first problem, height given, height A, B and area we want to find. Directly we got to substitute in the formula. In the second problem, height is unknown, a parallel sides are given, parallel sides and area given. For a third problem, for a height and parallel, one of the parallel side is given, area also given. So we want to find the other parallel side. For fourth problem, height and one of the parallel side and the area is given, we want to find the other parallel side. First problem, first you take and write given what are the things are given. Height, parallel sides A equal to 12 meter, B equal to 20 meter, H is 10 meter. We want to find the area. You write the formula, area of the trapezium equal to half into H into A plus B square units. That is half into H value is 10 into A value 12, B value 20. It is a square meter. What unit is given? Meter. So you write square meter or meter square. For half into 10 into you have to add these two, that is a 32. For cancelling is possible by 2 table. 1 2 is to 16 2s are 32. Otherwise you have to make cancel 1 2 is to 5 2s are 10. Then you have to make multiple these two. Now for after cancelling we have 10 into 16, that is 160 square meter. In the second problem, parallel sides is given. Parallel sides are A equal to 13 cm, B equal to 28 cm. Area also given, that is 492 square centimeter. We want to find the distance between the parallel sides. So area of the trapezium equal to half into H into A plus B square units. For this is, for area is given, you have to compare, for the given area compare with the formula. Formula, write one side the area value. So half into H into A plus B value is given, that is 13 plus 28 equal to 492. So that is half into H into, add these two, that is a 41, that is equal to 492. Now you have to, for cancelling is possible in the left hand side, you have to make cancel, otherwise you have to transpose to right hand side. For 1 by 2 moves to right hand side is become 2 by 1, that is 2. 41 is 1 by 41. For 41 is a prime number, so 41 is a prime number. Prime number means it is a divide by 1 and itself. So for a same table we have to check with the same number table, that is 41. 141, it is 12 times we get a 492. Suppose for you have to check with this multiplication. So that is equal to h equal to 12 into 2, that is 24 centimeter. Students, once again listen. For suppose anybody have a doubt for which is A, which is B, which is H. For the parallel sides we are mentioned in the trapezium, that is these two are parallel side AB, that is AB, and CD is a parallel side. For the parallel side, for one parallel side mentioned as A, another one parallel side mentioned as B. H means the distance between the parallel side. Between these two distance is called a height. Now third problem. In the question given height equal to 19 meter, B equal to 16 meter. For one of the parallel side is given, we want to find the other parallel side. Area also given. Suppose area is given, you have to compare the area value to the area formula. First you write the area of the trapezium formula you write. Then for you have to compare the value and the formula, area value and the formula. That is half into h into a plus b, that is the formula. Given area value 323. Then you substitute the values, half into h value is 19. For a value is unknown, so just take and write a plus b value is 16, that is equal to 323. So now for bracket values you have to simplify together. For you not able to take outside a or 16, we have to simplify together because it is in the group. We want to find a value, so you keep this a plus 16 in the left hand side. For remaining, for here cancelling is not possible, so you take to the right hand side. So suppose it is moved to the right hand side, 1 by 2 become 2, 19 become 1 by 19. For why we are writing simply 2, 2 by 1 value is a 2. So 19 is a prime number, 19th table is possible. So you have to check 119 is 19, for 17 times it is 323. How you have to check it is, first 32 you have to consider how many 19s are there, one time. Then balance is 13, so that is, for it is 100 right in front of this number, that is a 13, so 7 times it is 19 into 7 is 133. So now a plus 16, left hand side we have a plus 16 is equal to 17 into 2, 34. We want to find a value, so this plus 16 transposed to right hand side, that's become a minus 16. 34 minus 16 is equal to 18 meter. Now fourth problem. For in the question given height, one of the parallel side and area, we want to find the other parallel side. First you write the formula. Already I explained in the previous problem. For area value is given, we have to compare area formula and the area value. So area formula you write, that is equal to given area 360. So substitute the given values, half into 16, h value 16, a value 15, b value is unknown, just take and write it is b. For don't write b like a 6, so write it is b. Suppose you write like a 6, maybe you have to add, then you get a wrong answer. So b you have to write properly, that is equal to 360. So here cancelling is possible, 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. After cancelling we have 8 into 15 plus b equal to 360. So we want to find b value, you have to write with the bracket. For this 8 transpose to right hand side. For then after you have to check the cancelling, 1 8 is 8, 4 8s are 32, then balance 4, that is 40, 5 8s are 40. For cancelling method you know. For that is 15 plus b equal to 45. b equal to 45 minus 15. This plus 15 transpose to right hand side become minus 15. 45 minus 15 equal to 30. Therefore, B equal to 30 centimeter. Students, listen now the second question. Find the area of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. We want to find the area of the trapezium. Here given parallel sides. So, this is A. For parallel sides are given. So, you have to find it is A. For it is B. For distance between them it is a H. So just we have to substitute in the formula. For A equal to 24 centimeter, B equal to 20 centimeter, H is equal to 15 centimeter. Take from the given question. Then write the formula, area of the trapezium, half into H into A plus B square units. So substitute the values, that is half into H value is 15, A value is 24, B value is 20. Now first you have to simplify the group, that is 24 plus 20, that is 44. 1 by 2 into 15 into 44. For 1 2 is 2, 22 times it is a 44. So after cancelling we have 15 into 22. For now you have to make a normal multiplication, you get 330. So it is a statement problem. So the final steps you have to write with this step, that is therefore area of the trapezium equal to 330 square centimeter.